Let's see how to install GitHub Copilot in VS Code. Click on the extension in the sidebar and search for GitHub Copilot. Now click on Install. Now the GitHub Copilot extension is installed globally to use. Now you can see a chat icon which is for GitHub Copilot Chat. Click on it. Now, I'm gonna ask GitHub Copilot to refactor a function. Let's see what it does. Here you can type the prompt for the GitHub Copilot to perform. Here you can see the GitHub Copilot is referring to the line we have selected in the editor. In matter of seconds it starts to respond to our prompt and starts to refactor it. In meantime we can continue doing our other changes. Now it is done with the refactor. It has now nicely refactored our function into better readable code, and GitHub Copilot itself came up with good function for the task it performed. Just awesome, right? Now we can replace our function with the one written by GitHub Copilot. We can use the copy to clipboard icon to copy the code content from chat window. Thanks for watching. Let us know in comments how is GitHub Copilot helping you with your work and any issues faced.